and a warm welcome to the UNESCO New Delhi Cluster Office for Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, and Sri Lanka. The theme of the breakaway session at UNESCO is Strengthening SAARC through Digital Heritage. Since the first edition of the KEDL in 2017, we have been delighted at the interest among major libraries in South Asia in forming a regional network or alliance. The objective of such a network would be to share knowledge, best practices, capacities, and digital resources. While a tentative conversation about a SAARC-level network was initiated at the KEDL 2017, the idea began to gain greater traction the following year. In November 2018, the Royal Government of Bhutan and UNESCO co-organized a regional workshop in Thimphu for librarians and professionals working to preserve documentary heritage. The workshop concluded with stakeholders agreeing unanimously on the need for a regional mechanism to promote the management of digital and documentary heritage. Today's session offers us an opportunity to take these discussions forward. As we begin our deliberations, UNESCO would like to reiterate its commitment to the NDLI. We are also very grateful to our partners, IIT Delhi, TERI, Europeana, and the Wikimedia Foundation, who have helped make KEDL 2019 a reality. We would also like to take a moment to remember our dear colleague, Dr. Indrajit Banerjee, formerly Director of UNESCO's Knowledge Societies Division in Paris. Dr. Banerjee was in many ways the driving force behind UNESCO's partnership with the NDLI. Sadly, we lost him to a sudden illness earlier this year. We would like to dedicate today's session to his memory. Now, please allow me to invite Mr. Hezekiel Dlamini, the Advisor for Communication and Information for South Asia at UNESCO New Delhi office, to deliver the welcome remarks.
Distinguished delegates and experts, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to UNESCO New Delhi. As already said, this session's theme is on strengthening SAARC through digital heritage. And this theme recognizes the unique opportunity that digital heritage provides to SAARC. The region consists of 8 countries, although we have 6 represented here today, separated by political boundaries, but that share a common heritage of several millennia. Colonial past, ethnicity, long tradition of economic and cultural exchanges, and aspirations. For this reason, a mechanism promoting shared digital heritage in SAARC, facilitated by UNESCO, can greatly increase regional cooperation. The UNESCO Memory of the World Program was established in 1992 in recognition of the growing awareness of the importance of preserving and assessing documentary heritage. Around the world, collections were and are still exposed to a variety of threats, such as illegal trade, destruction, natural disasters, and loss of interest, leaving them vulnerable to being lost. Documentary heritage in institutions such as libraries, archives, and museums constitute a significant part of the memory of humanity and reflect linguistic and cultural diversity of peoples. The issue of preserving this heritage has been a source of concern to governments and experts who are familiar with its fragility and the ensuing risks of losing important sources of information. In 2015, UNESCO member states adopted the recommendation concerning the preservation of and access to documentary heritage, including in digital form. Although nominations to the Memory of the World program of UNESCO, especially to its international register, regional and national registers, are currently on hold, are not in the, going on at the moment. This normative instrument is designed to help build partnerships for developing appropriate solutions, skills to mitigate against risks faced by documentary heritage, so that valuable collections and records are never lost. It cannot be overemphasized that digital heritage systems need to be designed with inclusive accessibility in mind, paying particular attention to information seekers and users with disabilities. For instance, digital images and videos need to be accompanied by text or audio descriptions, or even sign language interpretation of their subject's key features, e.g. content or form, and should be captured with the highest resolution possible so that they can be resizable. These are just some of the things that I'm sure are already being practiced, but I would like to raise, bring them to the table today for your consideration, because we really should not leave anybody behind as we go forward in our design of preserving digital heritage. UNESCO hopes that deliberations here will lead to a proposal for the establishment of a digital heritage platform for the SAARC region. I thank you.